The internet has become an essential part of our lives. We use it for everything from communication and entertainment to banking and shopping. This reliance on the internet makes cybersecurity more important than ever. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly common and sophisticated. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and steal personal information. This can have serious consequences, including identity theft, financial loss, and damage to your reputation. In 2024, we are seeing an explosion of data. This data is valuable to both businesses and criminals. Protecting this data is crucial for individuals and organizations alike. Everyone needs to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect themselves. By understanding the basics of cybersecurity, you can help keep your personal information safe and secure. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your digital information. This includes your personal data, your devices, and your online accounts. It's about being aware of the risks and taking steps to mitigate them. Think of cybersecurity as a digital shield. Just like you lock your doors and windows to protect your physical belongings, you need to take steps to protect your digital assets. This involves using strong passwords, being cautious about phishing scams, and keeping your software up to date. By understanding the basics of cybersecurity, you can make informed decisions about your online safety. Let's explore some common cyber threats: phishing, malware, and ransomware. These are prevalent methods used by cybercriminals to compromise your security. Phishing is a type of attack where criminals try to trick you into giving them your personal information. They might do this by sending you fake emails or text messages that look like they're from a legitimate organization. Malware, short for malicious software, is designed to harm your computer or steal your data. It can take many forms, such as viruses, worms, and trojans. You can get malware from opening malicious attachments, visiting compromised websites, or downloading infected software. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your files, making them inaccessible. The attackers then demand a ransom to decrypt the files. Ransomware attacks can be devastating, especially for businesses. Protecting your personal data is crucial in today's digital world. Here's a step-by-step guide to enhance your security. Step 1. Use strong passwords. Create passwords that are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or phrases. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Whenever possible, enable 2FA for your online accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Step 3. Be cautious of phishing attacks. Be wary of suspicious emails, text messages, or phone calls asking for your personal information. Legitimate organizations will never ask you for your passwords or other sensitive data over email or phone. Step 4. Keep your software updated. Make sure your operating system, web browser, and other software are always up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Section 5. The Art of Strong Passwords, Tips and Tricks. Strong passwords are the first line of defense against cyber attacks. Here are some tips for creating passwords that are difficult to crack. Aim for passwords that are at least 12 characters long. The longer the password, the harder it is to crack. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use passwords that are easy to guess, such as your birthday, pet's name, or address. Use a different password for each of your online accounts. This way, if one account is compromised, your other accounts are not affected. Password managers can generate and store strong passwords for you, so you don't have to remember them all. Section 6. Keeping your mobile devices safe and secure. Mobile devices like smartphones and tablets are just as vulnerable to cyber threats as computers. Here are some tips to keep your mobile devices secure. Use a strong passcode, pattern, or biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition to lock your device. Only download apps from trusted sources such as the official app stores for your device's operating system. Just like with computers, keep your mobile device's operating system updated with the latest security patches. Avoid accessing sensitive information such as online banking or shopping while connected to public Wi-Fi networks, as they may not be secure. Enable the Find My Device feature on your mobile device so you can track its location or remotely wipe its data if it's lost or stolen. Section 7. Navigating social media safely. Social media platforms are a part of our lives, but they also present cybersecurity risks. Here's how to navigate social media safely. Review and adjust your privacy settings on each platform to control who can see your posts, photos, and personal information. Be mindful of what you share on social media, as information posted online can be difficult to remove completely. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or responding to messages from unknown senders. Limit the amount of personal information you share on social media, such as your home address, phone number, or birth date. If you encounter any suspicious activity, such as fake accounts or scams, report it to the social media platform. Section 8. Cybersecurity for online shopping and banking. Online shopping and banking offer convenience, but it's crucial to take cybersecurity precautions. Only shop from websites that are well-known and trusted. Look for secure website indicators like HTTPS in the URL and a padlock icon in the address bar. Create strong, unique passwords for your online shopping and banking accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be wary of emails that appear to be from your bank or online shopping accounts asking for your login credentials or other personal information. Regularly check your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. Avoid making online transactions while connected to public Wi-Fi networks. Use a trusted and secure internet connection. Section 9. Exploring a career in cybersecurity. With the increasing importance of cybersecurity, there's a growing demand for skilled professionals in this field. Security analysts are responsible for identifying and mitigating security risks. They monitor networks for suspicious activity, investigate security breaches, and implement security measures. Ethical hackers use their skills to test the security of organizations' systems and networks. They identify vulnerabilities and recommend solutions to improve security. Security engineers design, implement, and maintain security systems and protocols. They work to protect organizations' data and systems from unauthorized access. Forensic investigators investigate cybercrimes and security breaches to gather evidence and track down perpetrators. Security auditors assess the security posture of organizations. They review security policies, procedures, and controls to identify weaknesses and recommend improvements. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. Resources for continued learning. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field. Staying informed about the latest threats and best practices is essential for maintaining your online safety. Numerous online platforms offer cybersecurity courses and certifications for beginners and experienced professionals. Government cybersecurity agencies, such as the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, in the United States, provide valuable resources, tips, and alerts on cybersecurity threats. Stay updated on the latest cybersecurity news and trends by following reputable security blogs and news websites. Attending cybersecurity events and conferences can provide opportunities to learn from experts, network with peers, and stay informed about emerging technologies and threats. By continuously learning and adapting your cybersecurity practices, you can navigate the digital world with confidence and protect yourself from evolving threats.